Who's your friend that likes to play bing bong, bing bong?
Nice pants. Nice pants. Nice pants. Those are nice pants.
Who's your friend that likes to play bing bong? Who's your friend that likes to play bing bong, bing bong? I forgot to turn my key. Bing bong, bing bong, bing bong, bing bong. Who's your friend that likes to play bing bong, bing bong, bing bong, bing bong, bing bong, bing bong? Who's your friend that likes to play bing bong, bing bong, bing bong? Who's your friend that likes to play bing bong, bing bong, bing bong? Who's your friend that likes to play bing bang, bing bang? Who's your friend that likes to play bing bong, bing bong? Who's your friend that likes to play bing bong, bing?
What is that even from?
Inside Out, bro.
I don't know what that is.
It's a movie. Who's your friend that likes to play bing bong, bing bong? I'll have to insert a video clip of where that's from.
Who's your friend who likes to play bing bong, bing bong?
I mean, you only said it about 1,000,000 times.
So I guess since there is an unfamiliar voice, right? I guess I have to do a little bit of introducing. Oh, that was right through a red light, bro. We were green for a good solid few seconds. So that guy right there, you guys are pretty familiar with one of my cousins, Rye, Guy Balls. Well, that's my other cousin.
Oh, nice to meet y'all.
What do you want? Do you want a screen name? You want fucking A Shizzle?
A Shizzle works, I guess. That sounds pretty ghetto, and we all know I'm as ghetto as it gets.
Well, his birth given name is Adam, but we call him like A Unit or something.
I mean, you guys used to always call me Adolf due to my perfect genetics.
You know, I was gonna actually like introduce you like with that name, but I figured like some people were gonna get all butthurt. It is the internet after all. I also wanted to do a quick shout out to one of my subscribers. His name is Jose. He's from California. He has the same bike as me. It's a GSXF 1000. And he noticed from one of my videos that I once had a Two Brothers slip-on exhaust for this bike, and now I have the full M4 exhaust on it. So obviously that Two Brothers exhaust is just sitting in my garage collecting dust. So he reached out to me and he asked what I'm doing with that Two Brothers exhaust, and I told him just that. It's sitting in the garage collecting dust. And before all this, before he reached out to me, I was looking at prices on buying a new seat for this. And not that the stock seat is uncomfortable by any stretch of the imagination on this bike, but I like to take long rides, and Saddleman is known for making seats that relieve pressure off of certain pressure points.
His hemorrhoids.
My hemorrhoids. So I just hadn't gotten around to actually buying one. They're over $200. And, you know, like I said, the stock seat on this isn't uncomfortable. It's actually pretty comfortable. So he reached out to me and he asked if I wanted to trade the Two Brothers exhaust for his Saddleman seat. And like I said, we have the same bike, so it's an exact fit. So he sent it out to me. And I'm riding with it right now. And it's pretty comfortable. I don't notice too much of a difference right away, to be honest with you. And I know that I'm losing a little bit of money by trading the exhaust for the seat, because the exhaust is something like $120 or $130 more than the seat. But it's, like I said, it's literally just sitting in my garage collecting dust. And this is something that I actually wanted, the Saddleman seat. So, shout out to Jose in California, man. Thanks for the subscription. Thanks for the seat. And good luck with the exhaust.
You know, I really don't know where we are. I'm just telling you, just keep going.
Okay.
It's the adventure, man.
I'm so sick of riding the same roads over and over. It's almost like monotonous. Like, to the point where, like, it's like, do I even want to, like, and the answer's always yes, but, like, it's always like, do I even want to ride today? You know, because it's the same shit over and over and over. It's, like, fucking repetitive. Because, like, obviously, we work like normal people.
Yep.
So, like, we can only go so far, like, until, like, the weekend where we can take a day trip, like, to the Finger Lakes. Or, like, when Kayla and I went to the Catskills, Ryan and I went to the Adirondacks. Got to make, like, a day trip instead of just, like, a 2 or 3 hour ride. Just keep on following this?
Just keep following this.
Okay.
There's the dam. The pull-off is right at the top.
Well, we'll have to fucking do it. Oh, this is cool, man.
I think it's dirt, though, when you get up there.
Yeah.
So be careful.
Me glass house, you glass house. Oh, dude, tell me this isn't fucking perfect for a...
Photo op.
This is cool, man. How's my angle?
Yeah, looks pretty good.
I'll check for myself, I guess.
Yeah, you probably should because you're not as angled as me, but it doesn't look terrible. I know you're a perfectionist when it comes to this shit.
Hi. All right, so that was Hinkley Lake here in central New York. Where exactly are we, do you know?
Not really. I don't know the municipality. I don't know if there is a town of Hinkley or not.
It's looking beautiful, though, man.
That's for sure. I got sorry female.
If she was going to look, I was going to...
Give her a little to-do-do.
Give her the bitty wave.
Hello.
Apparently, that wave comes across as creepy, according to Kayla and Rye.
I mean, I don't think they know what they're talking about.
I think you should do it more.
If anything.
Nice meme.